What is going on, Turbo family? I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. In today's video, guys, we're going to be comparing Turbo to some of the bigger meme coins that we saw in the previous cycle, seeing where we think it could go. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto literally every single day. I cover Turbo every other day along with Toshi and a few other meme coins. Listen, if you guys are looking for the next 10, 20, 50, even 100x, I'm here to tell you guys that those are still going to be coming out, guys. Okay, meme coins are not done yet because the altcoin season is not here yet. Altcoin cycles, they're still going to continue, guys. The bull market has not peaked out yet, in my humble opinion. Obviously, we're still expecting more rate cuts to come. So again, we're still optimistic. I'm optimistic. I don't think the market's done yet, even though it is very hard to see the end of the tunnel right now. All I can really say is, guys, hold strong. And right now, you're getting gifted really good entries into the markets, which is why I want to start off this video by really making an emphasis, guys, on being a part of a community. If you guys don't have anyone to hold you accountable in this crypto market, you are just not going to make it. Guys, I've been in the market since 2017, and I'm not here to say that I'm some type of financial advisor, because I'm not. I'm just someone who's made a lot of money and also retired from crypto. So I've traded the trenches, I've made a lot of money, and I'm here to basically show you guys the trades that I make. If you want to know when I get into markets, when I get out, we recently, I mean, guys, I dollar cost averaged into a project the other day, told my community about it. We're up over 30-40% on that. And those are good gains, especially considering the overall state of this crypto market. Now is the time that you guys want to be accumulating, okay? And I'm not just saying that lightly. I am saying that as someone who's been around since 2017, guys. Buy when there's fear in the streets. And if you want to know what projects to get into, this is your time to join the Memecoin Master. This is my private Discord. And honestly, guys, the value that you get in there is unmatched. So go ahead, click the link in the description, check it out. Now, Turbo family, one thing I do want to say is it's hard to hold Turbo right now. It's hard to hold any meme coin right now. All I can really say, guys, is if you guys are opening up your portfolio and you're seeing how, down 30%, down 40%, guys, just close your portfolio, go outside, go on a walk, go have fun with your friends, go do something that'll keep you distracted, because the last thing that you need right now is to surround yourself in a room and open up your portfolio, open up these charts and see that these projects are down, because that's literally what I'm doing. And I'll tell you right now, it's not fun. However, you also need to keep in mind that this dip is not going to last forever, right? We're almost in October. Historically, Octobers have been very bullish for crypto in general. So just keep that in mind. If you guys could weather the storm, if you guys could get through September, then I promise you October, November, December, as we enter into Q4, right? I mean, we're basically entering into Q4 of 2025. And I've been very vocal about this. I've told you guys that I believe the bull market should peak out around the end of 2025, the Q4 of 2025, and that is coming, right? October, November, December, the final 3 months, the final quarter of this year, guys. I feel like we're going to end off strong. So remember what happened last December, right? We saw a massive rally in all altcoins, in all meme coins, and guys, we're going to see that again. Okay, worst case scenario, right? I didn't think that we'd see this, but worst case scenario, the bull run goes on until Q1 of 2026. I'm not sure how true that is. I'm not sure how likely it is to happen. All I'm saying is, guys, anything can happen in these markets, right? Literally anything. However, I am still really confident that 2025 Q4 is when we are going to peak out at. Now, I hope you guys don't have specific price targets for some of these plays. Yes, I say Turbo, $5 to $10 billion market cap, but what's more important, guys, isn't the price that it goes to. It's the sentiment around the time, right? It's what time are we at in the markets? Is it, is Bitcoin at like 130K? Is Bitcoin at 150K? Is Ethereum at 6,000, 7,000? Because if that's the case and you're seeing Turbo at like 4, 5 billion, $6 billion market cap, it might be a good idea to start slowly taking profits off the table. Does that mean that Turbo can't go higher? That's not what that means. All I'm saying is that you want to make sure you're dollar cost averaging out the same way that you dollar cost average into these markets. Now, I guess just out of comparison, if we see Turbo right here and then the price of Shiba Inu, you can see, right, just getting back to the price or to getting to $7 billion market cap for Turbo is about a 30x, and that only brings Turbo to 10 cents, okay? So $7 billion market cap, not even $10 billion market cap for Turbo, is from current prices a 30x return. Now, guys, Shiba Inu all-time high was about 40 billion. If anyone is telling you that these prices, like, Turbo's going to 40 billion, it's not. It's not going to go to 60 cents. That's very unrealistic. I've also seen people comparing it to like Dogecoin. And yes, as much as I love Turbo, guys, I'm also a realistic person. Like $34 billion market cap probably is very unlikely. And getting very close to even a $90 billion market cap where Turbo is at $1.30, it's just never going to happen, right? I'll be the first to tell you that. And as someone who covers Turbo every single day or every other day, I'll be the first to tell you that. Now, you can see where we're sitting at right now. I mean, I cover this all the time. We are sitting at a very good buying opportunity. Where we're at right now, guys, $230 million market cap. And then you have the 0.786. Where did it go there? And then you have the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. So again, you're buying in at a support area that's also sitting at a very good fib level, right? And realistically, this is a very solid entry. This is a very solid buying opportunity because from here, just even getting back to previous all-time highs, you're looking at roughly a 324% gain, which again, not too shabby by any stretch of the imagination. So make sure you guys do your own research when it comes to that. Now, the first AI generated meme coin, I highly recommend, guys, that you guys follow them on X, right? Stay up to date with the latest information about the project because it's one thing, family, to hear from me, but it's another to get it straight from the source. Turbo, 57,000 holders, 128,000 followers, 235,000 daily votes, and $230 million market cap. Whereas Toshi on this hand is, you see 900,000 holders, basically 78K followers, 165,000 daily votes, and $310 million market cap. Now, I don't know if this is a daily vote thing that we're doing, like the community sentiment thing. I highly doubt that's from every single day because I don't think 235,000 people are checking out Turbo on CoinMarketCap every day. But also, guys, Turbo's hovering around 60,000 holders. Toshi doesn't have 881,000 holders. A lot of these are bots because it's easier to bot in the base chain. So keep that in mind. But also, I don't like the comparison between these two because I think they're both very solid plays. Turbo is going to explode, but again, it's not going to get near 880,000 holders, right? That's I just don't think that is possible. Turbo, the holders here says 66,000, but we all know it's not that much. Hold on. Turbo, the price is likely targeting the support zone as long as it remains below 2038. Downside pressure stays intact, with the 100% fib extension at 0.003 serving as the ideal wave C target. More or less kind of the same thing that we're looking at here. Again, I see a bounce coming very soon. Obviously, we need the entire crypto market to agree on that bounce. We're not going to just pump by ourselves, guys. It is going to take some time. Day 234 of relentlessly pushing Turbo. This isn't stopping until we smash past a multi-billion-dollar market cap, and I don't see why we cannot get there. Now, family, I really do hope you guys went on to enjoy this video. If you did, smash the like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you never miss out on an upload. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, family. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care. Peace out, guys.